Hi everyone, I'm Basma. This is my first cover of Jao Baki Volodare and Where Have You Been by Rihanna. The reason I'm doing this is because I've, growing up as a Bengali and as an American, you listen to a lot of variety of songs and you hear the similarities, and what I wanted to do is just mix the two together, American and Bengali, and see where that would take me, if it actually sounds good, if it actually works. So, so let me know what you guys think, and if you like it and if I get good reception of it, then maybe I'll do more. Alright, so here I go. সোনার পালঙ্কের ঘরে লিখে রেখেছিলেন দ্বারে, যাও পাখি বলো তারে, সে যেন ভোলে না মোরে। সুখে থেকো ভালো থেকো, মনে রেখো এই আমারে। বুকের ভেতর